Welcome. Now we will learn about lesson number 12, perimeter and area. Perimeter means sum of the all the lengths of the sides given. It is called as the perimeter. So what is perimeter? We can write. Perimeter means it is the sum of all the lengths of all sides of a closed figure is the perimeter of that figure. Okay, whatever the figure is given. Okay, for example, this is shown here, side. This is the figure. So here we have to do sum of all the sides. Okay, and we have to write down the answer. For example, if all the sides are 1 centimeter, so how many sides? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 into 1, so it is 12 centimeter. This is our perimeter. Okay, now perimeter of polygon also same way. Perimeter of a polygon is equal to sum of all the sides. All the sides. That is the perimeter. Now perimeter of square we know. Perimeter of a square, we know that square has 4 sides. So it is 4 into side. Now perimeter of a square with side A we will take, for example, perimeter of a square of side A. If I am taking side A, so what will be the perimeter? 4 into A, because side I have taken A. So now perimeter of a rectangle, if you will see perimeter of a rectangle. So rectangle, this is the rectangle. This is length, this is length, this is breadth. Okay, opposite sides are equal. So your formula, what you will write? Perimeter, that is L plus B plus B, that is twice length plus twice breadth. So we can write 2 length plus breadth. So formula is, either you can use this formula or this formula. So in this way we can solve perimeter of a square, rectangle or any polygon. So now we will solve the practice set 44. Now if you see here, question 1 given, practice set 44. If the length and breadth of a rectangle are doubled, okay, length and breadth of a rectangle are doubled, how many times the perimeter of the old rectangle will that of the new rectangle be? So here what is given? Length and breadth perimeter of old rectangle. So we can write perimeter of a old rectangle. So formula will be same, that is twice length plus breadth. Okay. Now what is given in the question? The length and breadth of the rectangle are double. The length and breadth of a rectangle are doubled. Means both are doubled. Okay. Means length will be twice length and breadth will be twice breadth. Okay. So therefore perimeter of new rectangle is equal to double. So we will write 2 and bracket we can write 2 length plus twice breadth. Okay, because this we are doubled. So formula is, so it is 2 is common, so 2 into 2 we can write length plus breadth. Okay, so here it is 2 times of the old one. Okay, so the length, we can write the length of new rectangle. What is asked? How many times the perimeter of old rectangle will be there? So you can write, so it will be 2 times. How many times? 2 times. 2 times is the perimeter of the old rectangle will that of the new rectangle. So how many times? 2 times you can write. 2 times is the perimeter of the old rectangle. So it is 2 times the perimeter of the old rectangle. That of the new rectangle. Okay, so we can write the length of new rectangle is 2 times of the old rectangle. Okay, so new rectangle we got 2 times the perimeter of the old rectangle. Now we will solve the next question. If the side of a square is triple means 3 times, how many times the perimeter of the first square will that of the new square be? So here what is given in square, the side perimeter of, we will write perimeter of old square is equal to 4 into side, so 4s we can write. Okay, so now it is 3 times. 3 times, so we can write 3 into, that is old one. So how many times we got? It is 3 times. Triple means 3, so 3 times. So the new square will be, therefore the new square will be 3 times of the first square. Okay, now we will solve the next question. Question number 3. Question number 3, it is given alongside is the diagram of a playground. It shows the length of its sides. Find the perimeter of the playground. Okay, if you see here, it is given 10 centimeter. Here it is given 15 centimeter. This is 5 centimeter. This is 15 centimeter. If you see what is the length, so see here, if I am drawing the line, so it will be 10 and this will be, it is given 5. So 10 plus 5, you will get this length 15 centimeter. It is given, sorry, 15 meter. Okay, and if you see here, this is 15. Okay, and till here it is 15 and this is also 15. So 15 plus 15, it is 30 meter. Now we will add all the sides, that will be the perimeter. So we can give the name for our convenient: P, Q, this is R, S, T, U. Okay, so you know perimeter of a playground where we can write, therefore perimeter of a playground is equal to, we will go clockwise, that is PQ plus QR plus RS plus ST plus TU plus UP. Okay, that is the all the segments we are joining. So PQ, it is given 10, QR 15 plus 5 plus 15 plus 15 plus 30. Okay, so see 30 plus 10, 40, and 15 here, it is 5. So 30, 45, 50, 50 plus 30, 80, 80 plus 10, 90. So 90 meter. Okay, so playground, it is given in meter, so answer will be in meter. 90 meter answer. Now next question we will solve. As shown in the figure, 4 napkins, all of the same size. Here 4 napkins are there and all are of same size, means all are square, were made from a square piece of cloth of length 1 meter. Okay. So, what length of lace will be required to trim all over the sides of all the napkins? So, see, as shown in the figure, 4 napkins, all of the same size, were made from a square piece of cloth of length 1 meter. So, all it is made from 1 meter length. What length of lace will be required to trim all the 4 sides of all the napkins? So, how you will solve? So, see here, total length, okay. Here total length is given. So, total length means this is 1 meter. So, all the side, this is 1 meter, this is 1 meter and this is 1 meter. So, 1 meter means 1 square will be half meter. Okay, this will be half meter. So, how we will solve? So, the side of a square, we can write the side of a square shaped cloth is 1 meter. So, therefore, side of new square shaped cloth is half meter. Okay. So, therefore, we can write perimeter of one square shaped napkin is equal to 4 into side. So, that is 4 into new one side is half meter. Okay, so we are dividing by half. So, 2 ones are 2 twos are. So, we got 2 meter. Okay. So, therefore, perimeter we can write, therefore, perimeter of 4 squares shaped napkin is equal to 4 into 2, that is 8 meter. So, here we have finished practice set 40. We have finished practice set 44. We will meet in the next video. Thank you for watching and please like, share, comment and subscribe the channel. Thank you.